Okay, students, good morning. My name is Gurpreet Singh and welcome back to English online classes. Today we will learn about possessive determiners and quantifier determiners. Yesterday we have learned about articles and demonstrative, but today we will learn about possessive determiners and quantifiers. So firstly, what are determiners? So determiners are words that comes at the beginning of the noun, not after the noun. I already told you. Firstly, keep in your mind, determiners always use before the noun, not after the noun. And determiners introduces the noun. Determiners are determines the noun whether a noun is specific or general. So here there are four types of determiners. The first one is articles, the second one is demonstrative, the third one is possessives, the fourth one is quantifiers. So now I'm talking about possessive. So what are possessives? In possessives, we have my, your, his, her, their, or its. So here the definition is, when referring to a noun that belongs to someone or something, we can use possessive to show ownership. हम possessive determiners का यूज़ क्यों करते हैं? Ownership को show करने के लिए, या कोई चीज़ हमसे belong करती है. On that time we use possessive determiners. For example, this is my pen. So my is a possessive determiners. Possessive determine. And pen is a noun. So here I use my before the noun, not after the noun. Understand? So here possessive has like have two types. The first one is possessive pronouns and the second one is possessive determiners. अब इनमें बहुत बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि पोजेसिव डिटर्मिनर्स क्या होते हैं और पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं. डोंट वरी, आई विल टेल यू. पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस हम यूज करते हैं, या हम यूज कहाँ करते हैं, जब हम रिप्लेस कर देते हैं नाउन को, या पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन. पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन and possessive determiners are used before the noun. So please keep in your mind, possessives have two types. The first one is possessive pronouns, the second one is possessive determiners. Possessive pronouns are used in the place of noun and possessive determiners are used before the noun. So here I made one diagram related to possessives. So here I have pronouns and the second column I have possessive adjectives or determiners, and in the third I have possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. So pronoun is I, you, he, she, it, we, they. हम प्रोनाउन का यूज़ कहाँ करते हैं? प्रोनाउन हम यूज़ करते हैं इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन. प्रो मीन इंस्टेड. इंस्टेड मीन इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन वी यूज प्रोनाउंस. And now after that I am talking about possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives we use before a noun, and possessive pronouns we used in the place of noun. So possessive pronouns are words that are used in the place of noun, and possessive determiners are words that use before a noun. हम डिटर्मिनर्स पोजेसिव डिटर्मिनर्स का यूज़ करेंगे बिफोर अ नाउन, एंड पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस का हम यूज़ करेंगे इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन. सो हमारे पास पोजेसिव डिटर्मिनर्स कौन कौन से हैं? माई, योर, हिज, हर, इट्स, आर, देयर. एंड इन पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस वी हैव माइन, योर्स, हिज, हर्स, आर्स और देयर्स. So here I wrote two examples to learn about possessive determinants and possessive pronouns appropriately. The first example is that your scarf? So here, your is possessive determiner and scarf is a noun. So the answer is, and the second is, it is very similar to mine. It is very similar to mine. So here mine is possessive pronoun. या मैं कह सकता हूं कि it is very similar to my scarf. If I use this sentence, on that time we use possessive determiners because in this sentence I use noun. So that's why in this sentence I use my, and my is a possessive determiner. And in this sentence I use mine, and mine is a possessive pronoun. There is a little bit difference between possessive determiners and possessive pronoun. The difference is possessive determiners are used before a noun and possessive pronouns are used in the place of noun. Understand? So here we haven't noun, but here we have noun. Noun is scarf. So that's why here I used your, and your is a determiner, possessive determiner. Understand? And the second example is, this is not my book. So here I used book, and the book is a noun. So that's why here I used my. So my is a determiner, possessive determiner. ये दोनों सेंटेंस ओनरशिप को तो बता रहे हैं, बट इन दोनों सेंटेंस में डिफरेंस यही है कि फर्स्ट वाले सेंटेंस में मैंने डिटर्मिनर का यूज किया, दिस इज नॉट माई बुक, एंड द सेकेंड वन आई यूज इट इज योर्स. सो हियर आई डिडंट यूज नाउन, हियर आई यूज पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन. सो योर्स इज अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज नॉट माई बुक, इट इज योर्स. या मैं ये भी बोल सकता था इट इज योर बुक. जब मैं ये सेंटेंस का यूज कर रहा हूं तो इसमें जो योर है वो पोजेसिव डिटर्मिनर है, बिकॉज बुक क्या है, नाउन है. तो इसमें मैं नाउन का यूज कर रहा हूं, तभी मैंने क्या यूज किया, पोजेसिव डिटर्मिनर. और इसमें मैंने नाउन का यूज नहीं किया, तो मैं क्या यूज कर रहा हूं, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. अंडरस्टैंड? तो अब ये नहीं बोल सकते इट इज योर्स बुक, इट इज yours. Understand? This is not my book, this is not my book, it is yours. Understand? Okay, so now I am talking about quantifiers. So quantifiers, so what are quantifiers? Quantifiers indicate amounts or quantities of things. क्वांटिफायर्स का यूज हम करते हैं क्वांटिटी को बताने के लिए, क्वांटिटी को बताने के लिए. सो हियर वी हैव मच, मैनी, लॉट्स ऑफ, अ लॉट ऑफ, फ्यू, अ लिटिल, लिटिल, सम, एनी. So to determine which quantifier to use, you have to know if the noun that you are describing a quantity for countable noun or an uncountable noun. So जब आप किसी नाउन की क्वांटिटी के बारे में बता रहे हैं या आप नाउन के बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं उसकी क्वांटिटी के बारे में, then you have to know about noun. So that noun is a countable or an uncountable. So in uncountable we have singular and plural. For example, book, books, chair, chairs. So these are countable nouns and these are uncountable nouns. So in uncountable we have no plural. जैसे मिल्क का हम मिल्क्स नहीं बोल सकते, सैंड का सैंड्स नहीं बोल सकते. Understand? But in countable we have singular and plural. In singular book and in plural books. In singular chair and in plural chairs. and then boy, boys, girl and girls. अंडरस्टैंड. जब आप क्वांटिफायर्स या किसी भी नाउन की क्वांटिटी को बता रहे हैं तो फर्स्टली आपको किसके बारे में लर्न करना है? यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. अंडरस्टैंड. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज मच. Much is used with uncountable nouns and usually used in questions and negative sentences. हम यूज का यूज एक तो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ यूज करते हैं और एज वेल एज किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए और नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम इसका जिक्र करते हैं. द फर्स्ट, सो हियर आई रोट वन एग्जांपल रिलेटेड टू मच. सो हाउ मच वाटर डू यू वांट? सो हियर वाटर इज अ uncountable noun. So before water I use much. So much is used with uncountable nouns. The second one is many. So many used with plural countable nouns. So many used with plural countable nouns and mainly used in questions, to put questions, and as well as used in negative sentences. जैसे for example, how many boys in the classroom? So boys are countable. Boys are plural countable noun. On that time we use many. So boys are plural countable noun. So that's why I wrote many. So many is used with plural countable nouns and as well as to put questions in the sentence. So here I put the question. How many boys in the classroom? भी कितने boys हैं इस classroom में? क्योंकि boys जो है, जो noun है, वो countable, वो plural countable noun है. So that's why here we use many. Understand? And the third one is a lot of or a lot of or lots of. Lot of or lots of. So a lot of and lots of both are used with uncountable and plural countable nouns and usually used in positive sentences. Usually used in positive sentences. So there are a lot of windows in that house. Yeah, there are lots of windows in that house. So here windows is a plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. So that's why I use lots of or a lot of before windows. Understand? And the fourth one is few and few. Both are used with plural countable nouns to show small quantity as well. So few students walk to school in the country. So here I describe small quantity. And here also I use plural countable nouns because we are able to count about students. So that's why here we use few before students. And the fifth one is any. Any is used with both countable and uncountable nouns and also usually used in negative sentences and questions. So Rahul doesn't have any friends at this school. So here this sentence is a negative sentence. So Rahul doesn't have any friends at this school. And the sixth one is some and a few. So there are lots of students confused about between some and a few. So some is used like more than 5 and a few is used less than 5. For example, मेरे पास 5 to 6 tomatoes हैं. On that time we use some. If we have 3 to 4 tomatoes, mean less than 5, on that time we use a few. For example, I have some tomatoes. So here I have 6 to 7 tomatoes or more than 5 tomatoes. And in the second sentence I have a few tomatoes. Here I have like 3 to 4 tomatoes. On that time we use a few. So some and a few का जो मीनिंग होता है वो दोनों का सेम ही होता है, बट हम यूज़ कहाँ करें, हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं भी लेस क्वांटिटी के अंदर हम अ फ्यू का यूज़ करें, एंड मोर क्वांटिटी मतलब थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा हो उसमें हम सम का यूज़ करें. अंडरस्टैंड. गिव मी सम सॉल्ट. सो सॉल्ट क्या है? गिव मी सम मिल्क. तो मिल्क क्या है? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है. तो हम अनकाउंटेबल के लिए भी जैसे मिल्क के साथ भी सम का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड. एंड द सेवंथ वन इज लिटल अ लिटल. बोथ आर यूज्ड विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स, अ स्मॉल अमाउंट और क्वांटिटी. सो लिटल का यूज़ भी हम काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ करते हैं, और शो करने के लिए स्मॉल अमाउंट और क्वांटिटी को शो करने के लिए भी हम लिटल और अ लिटल का यूज़ करते हैं. सो हियर आई रोट two examples related to little and a little. So the first one is I had little time to prepare for the test. So here I had like small amount of time, mean no time. No time mean small amount, like 10 to 15 minutes. On that time we use little. So here time is the uncountable now. And in the second sentence, I had a little time. So here I used a little. So a little is used also small amount of time, but still some time. Mean like 2 to 3 hours. On that time we use a little. Understand? So this video is for possessive and quantifiers. If you have any doubts regarding that, you can concern with me. Thank you so much.